Here we have the Volkswagen Tiguan. Now it's a 2-litre TDI 4Motion DSG 190 PS. Now the car is a beauty and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a dynamic road sign display, a multifunction front-facing camera, lane assist, a city emergency brake, a driver alert system, and that all goes along with these 19-inch Victoria alloy wheels. Now the boot, it's absolutely huge, it's really spacious, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 3-zone climate control, heated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.